All right, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. So, what snacks do you like to eat?
Uh, I like to eat chocolate brownie because it's my favorite, and different kinds of chocolate brownies I love from different bakeries. I used to try from different bakeries uh, to make my own recipe as well.
Okay.
So I love
All right.
snacking.
Did you often eat snacks when you were a child?
Not so much because I don't like snakes.
I didn't
I
like
didn't like
snacks.
snakes in my childhood and not even now because I think it will cause you fat.
Yeah, they will cause you
They will
obesity.
obesity, fats, and looks so chubby.
Okay, you
And
look
then
so chubby if you eat
if you
snacks
eat snacks,
regularly.
yeah,
Just link it with snacks and all that.
exactly.
Okay, let's go on. When do you usually eat snacks these days?
During traveling, because during traveling when you are traveling through local transportation system, they usually provide you a big screen in front of you, and you don't have anything to do other than just watching movies and enjoy your snacks.
Okay, so thank you so much. Try to conclude your answer in the end. Whatever you say, conclude your answer, connect your ideas, it'll be better. Now let's move on. It's your turn. Do you like listening to music?
Yeah, I like music in free time. When I'll free, then I'll different type of music to listen by the different singers.
Okay, so you need to expand your answer and then conclude your answer and try to speak, like, try to give answer in one go, not in parts. Let's go on. Have you ever learned to sing?
Uh, no, I don't think so. In my childhood, or now I have to try to learn the music or like
Okay, this
song.
answer is not clear. Have you ever learned to sing? For example, no, I never learned about singing because I was never interested in singing. And
Okay.
at my school, we used to have some music classes, but I never attended those classes. So, to answer your question, I did not get any training about singing.
Okay.
Full answer with detail, right?
Right.
Let's go on. Who is your favorite singer and why?
Now, at this time, my favorite singer is Shazad Roy, and he has actually, there are a lot of poetry and other songs which like give me soothing effect on my like mind and body as well when I heard the song of
When I listen to the songs.
when I listen to
So
songs.
it's fluency and grammar.
Okay.
You start your answer with and then there are several and ahs, and then you said, I heard the songs. We never say heard the song. I listened to
I
song.
listen.
So try to focus these things, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.